Welcome back to the top 10 countdown of Realtor.com. Top 10 cities for first-time homebuyers to be buying. And the criteria for Realtor.com's top 10 home cities for first-time homebuyers is, well, they weighed a number of different factors in its analysis, including the percentage of the community age 25 to 34, access to amenities, commuting distance, potential sales growth for 2025 for investment purposes, unemployment rates, availability of homes as expressed by a number of listings per thousand residents, and most importantly, the median home price in that community. So we are at number 8 of the top 10 countdown for Realtor.com. The number 8 town community is Baltimore, Maryland. So let's go and see what kind of deals we can find in Baltimore, Maryland, so we can take advantage of this opportunity. So we're gonna pull up. Let's see here. There we go. And so here's Baltimore, Maryland. So one of the things you can do, we talked about this before, when you're searching, search for different keywords. Sometimes cash only works, sometimes investor works, sometimes a handyman special, sometimes fixer. So we use cash only. We got a nice group of homes that are listed by real estate agents as cash only. And just because it says cash only doesn't mean it's cash only. Most real estate agents don't know that renovation loans are available and we can close escrow on any property in any condition, no matter what's going on. No bathrooms, holes in the roof, mold, foundation issues, doesn't matter. We'll close it as is, finance it in the buyer's loan. All the work gets done at the close of escrow. So anyway, top 10. The best deals are the fixer-uppers. And so we found this one. This one is a 3 bedroom, one bath, 1,496 square feet uh, townhome built in 1920. So as you look at these pictures, this is what's available. I mean, it's a nice, you can tell it's well made, but and the floors aren't in bad shape. The windows um, probably could use updating. And that kitchen is a little rugged, to say the least. So you're going to want to finance money for a new kitchen. The flooring, part of the flooring definitely needs to be cleaned at a minimum, but maybe even replaced in that kitchen based on how messy it is. The carpet is nasty. You're going to want to replace the carpet, either put new carpet in or refinish the wood floors. Looks like there's wood floors underneath there. New paint on the inside for sure. Maybe even a HVAC system. The bathroom looks okay. Definitely, again, paint. And it's got a full basement. So with ready for remodel, and I'm going to show you what we can do is we can finance the cost to even build out that basement. So what we do is we go back to the listing. We're going to take this address and copy it, copy, and then we're going to go back here to ready for remodel under found a fixer and paste that address in here, and it's going to import all of the pertinent data relating to that house. The bedroom and bathroom count, the square footage. It recognizes the zip code in the city for material costs and labor costs. So we're going to know exactly, or within 3 to 6%, an accurate estimate to remodel that kitchen, to replace the windows. And as you can see, we are our AI is visualizing that in a modern design. And you can actually take any one of these pictures and use our AI software. Let's see, let's go in that kitchen. Yeah, this kitchen. Um, and we'll leave the AI strength at low. We're going to let AI know it's an interior and it's a kitchen. And let's give it a style. What style do we want to go this time? Let's do Tuscan style. Haven't done that in a while. Let's see what that looks like. So, the nice thing is it's unlimited design options. You pick a picture, whether it's the front of the house, the back of the house, kitchen, bathroom, family room, bedrooms. And you can use our AI software. That's what it looks like now. And that's what it could look like when it's all fixed up in a Tuscan design. And so, that looks nice. Um, and you can choose any design at all. I mean, if you want to do um, industrial, let's see what an industrial kitchen is going to look like. I know a lot of people like an industrial look. And so let's see what an industrial kitchen might look like here in Baltimore, Maryland. This generally takes 10 to 20 seconds for the visualizer software. So again, that's what it looks like now, and that's an industrial kitchen. That looks pretty cool. So now the next step is let's figure out what it's going to cost. So we have accurate estimating software, again, specific to that property, the square footage. And so we're going to go through and let's say we want to replace the windows. We'll do what we call better windows. We have three different qualities. You can see there's a little icon here, good, better, and best. Best is higher end materials, better is above average materials, and good is average price materials. So we'll choose better. We're going to do a kitchen remodel. Let's choose better there too. That's a $24,000 kitchen remodel. And you'll see difference between good, 17,000, better, 24,000, and best, 36,000. A lot of it really depends on the finishes, the quality of the appliances, what kind of countertops and cabinets that you want to use, flooring, and you'll see these little icons. There's a description of the scope of work that is included, and that includes flooring in that kitchen. So typical inclusions, finished materials, final scope of work, appliances, cabinets, countertops, backsplashes flooring and fixtures, and also new appliances, dishwasher, microwave, range, refrigerator, and supply valves and supply lines for the faucet and sink. We cover every detail on these estimates. So I think so we got replace the windows, we've got kitchen remodel, and I think we wanted to do interior paint. So let's do interior paint. And I think that should get this place in pretty good shape. That's 50 grand. And with the new limited version of the FHA 203K, you can get in, do $50,000 worth of work without having to have the oversight and cost of a HUD consultant. You can choose to if you want. It's always a good idea. But for a kitchen remodel and for some painting, we don't know if it's necessary. So anyway, you've got a remodeling budget of 50,000, which includes the soft costs. So the hard cost is 44,000. The soft cost is about 6,000. We have a description of the soft costs here. The main soft cost is 10% contingency reserve, which is extra money in your loan in case once you close escrow and start to do the work, a surprise pops up. You open up a wall, you realize there's some more plumbing work that was hidden behind the wall that needs to get done. Where's that money coming from? We have extra money built in the loan for you or your buyers who are buying this home and need money for remodeling. So we allocate extra money for those surprises that might pop up. Okay, so we've got the estimating budget of 50 grand. So now we look at the sales price. What's your down payment going to be? What's your monthly payment going to be? So depending on your down payment, you can get in with 20% on a conventional, avoid mortgage insurance, or you can get in with as little as 3% on a conventional or 3.5% on FHA. But the total cost of the sales price of 129 plus the remodeling estimate of just over 50, you're all in at 180, which is really affordable nowadays. So let's just say your down payment, you're going to do an FHA loan with 3.5% down. So 3.5% down is, oh, did the wrong one. 3.5% down. That's $6,300. And again, if you're doing an FHA loan, that down payment could be a gift from a family member. And then you'll have closing costs on top of that. But with 3.5% down, $6,300, your loan amount is just under 175. And we don't quote interest rates, but here's a sliding scale. You can talk to your mortgage professional. You can explore financing here by clicking this button, making an appointment with one of our lenders, and talk about the pre-approval process. But right now rates are hovering in the sevens, the mid sevens. So there's your payment, 15, 13. We don't quote mortgage insurance. We have a little asterisk here, Mortgage insurance is on top of that, so maybe another $100 for mortgage insurance. So you're all in for $1,600, including um, your principal and interest on your loan, property taxes, and insurance. And these are estimates. They're not guaranteed, so they're averages and estimates. So and then once you do that, you can find any property on any website, whether it's Redfin, Realtor.com, Zillow. Find any property and drop it into our Found a Fixer and go at it. Find some design options, the estimating options, and get pre-approved right there. So we are simplifying the home buying process for first-time home buyers who want to act like an investor and take advantage of those good deals that need a little work. And we help you with that. And so we really believe that 2025 is going to be an opportunity for first-time home buyers to get in to these fixer-uppers and start building equity instead of paying profit to the investors who buy them, fix them, and flip them. Lets you hack that house, buy it as is, get the money to remodel it, live in it, and have the design the way you want it. And instead of paying an investor profit, you get to keep that as equity in your house. And you get all the tax benefits of owning a house, as well as the benefit of long-term appreciation. So I'm Skip Shanker. That is Realtor.com, top 10 houses and communities across the United States to buy. Number 8, Baltimore, Maryland. I'm Skip Shanker, and that's how you buy a fixer.